In this video, I'm going to show you how to become an Amazon influencer. If you saw my previous video, then you know we have exciting content lined up to show you how to take Amazon influencer content to a whole new level. We're talking $4,500 a month. If that sounds interesting to you, definitely stick around for this entire video because we're going to walk you through the influencer program and what you need to do to get approved. Content here on Creator Fundamentals is made possible by our sponsors. Today's video is sponsored by Soundstripe. Soundstripe offers thousands of high-quality audio tracks to take your content to the next level. And now Soundstripe has leveled up their service once again. Introducing Soundstripe Video. Soundstripe Video offers over 70,000 HD, 4K, and even 5K video clips to take your content to the next level. And with the introduction of video, Soundstripe now offers music, sound effects, and videos on one convenient platform. And with their curated video playlists, you're now able to find exactly what you're looking for in far less time. And for a limited time, you can use the promo code CreatorCrew to save 20% off your subscription. Now is the time to go pro with Soundstripe. All right, so first, the requirements as far as what Amazon has explained to us or what is necessary are actually available out there. I'll put a link in the description below, but I'm going to actually go into that page. We're going to read some things together. I'm going to tell you my interpretation and try to give you my thoughts on what you can do as a content creator to position yourself to meet their requirements. All right, so here's the actual Amazon influencer page. Monetize your content with the Amazon influencer program. They give you the tools to help you make money by recommending Amazon products. They explain it right here. Obviously, the goal is to encourage people to buy products on Amazon. When you do that, you're going to get a percentage or a commission of those funds. And if we take a look, it says build your storefront, create and earn. So the Amazon storefront allows you to group products into these categories, which you can then share with your audience. You have things like live streaming gear. We can click in there and it shows all the products that I've accumulated into this category or group that I'm recommending on my influencer page. You can see there's a description up here and it lists all the products, and you can see all the other categories down here. Same thing. You can see that we have all the products that I've listed down here. You see past live streams. Amazon live streams are certainly a thing that people have had some success with, but we're not talking about those today. We're just talking about how to become an Amazon influencer. So when we look back at the sign up for the program, we want to take a look at what you need to do to actually become an influencer. So to influence, to have influence means you're able to persuade others to do something that you want them to do or that you think is in their best interest to do. So obviously, to be an influencer, you have to have an audience, and you need to recognize that you need to create that audience before Amazon will allow you to sign up. So what kind of audience are they actually looking for? If we scroll down here, it says, how do I qualify for the program? And it says we accept applications from all types of influencers, provided you have a YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook account. So right there, they're telling you the platforms that they're looking for an audience, and they want to also see that you have a certain number of followers and that you have engagement with your audience. So they don't want fake accounts where people have just racked up fake subscribers or followers. They want to see that you're actually interacting with your audience and that you do have some influence. Being able to look at the interactions between a creator and their audience will determine for them exactly what type of influence you have and whether you're right for the Amazon influencer program. Now, here's what I'll say about the Amazon influencer qualification. I don't think it's particularly high, but it may be somewhere in the range of similar to the YouTube partner program, which is 1,000 followers and engagement related to that. They don't actually tell us. So don't quote me on 1,000, but I certainly think that if you're at 1,000 or higher and you do have some engagement, some interaction with your audience, either on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, I think you have a pretty good shot of getting into the influencer program. There may be cases where sizes smaller than that have the opportunity. And by all means, you can always apply for it and they can reject you or approve you. And if you do happen to get rejected, you can apply again. So the important thing to note here is that's generally where I think it is, but I could be completely wrong because they do do not give you specific metrics, and there may be other factors in the Amazon influencer program beyond just those metrics, in terms of maybe they are bringing in a certain amount per month, or maybe they have initiatives where they want to bring in more or less. So I would definitely apply and see what happens, and see if they give you any feedback if they don't happen to approve you now. But if they don't, work on making your content, work on building that audience, and remember to come back and apply for the influencer program, because the content that I'm going to be sharing here on Creator Fundamentals specific to Amazon and the Amazon influencer program is absolutely going to be life-changing for many creators, and I don't want you to miss it. Now, I just want to take a look real quick. How do I monetize my content? So you become part of the Amazon influencer program. How do you actually make money? There are multiple ways you can earn. You can monetize your social media content by sharing your URL, or through affiliate links, which obviously if you're a member of Associates, then you're already doing that on YouTube. Hopefully you're taking advantage of that as a revenue stream. Doesn't typically tend to be huge, but for some people it works out pretty well. We may also surface content you have posted to your storefront, allowing you to grow your followers and earn new customers. So Amazon has been really focused on trying to create more opportunities for content creators to help them make more sales. At the end of the day, that's what everybody's doing. YouTube is selling ads and Amazon is selling products. It's absolutely no different, but the way in which you approach Amazon to earn great money is completely different from YouTube. And that's why it's exciting to me to be able to share what I've discovered and kind of cracking the code on Amazon influencers to make some significant money. In fact, I've been able to 100x the money I was making through the influencer just using the page and affiliates. So definitely stick around for that content. And if you happen to be new here, definitely click that subscribe button, ring the bell, and turn on mobile notifications so you're alerted to future videos that can help you grow your income around your content. And real quick, the process itself for applying is not super involved. The first thing you have to do is log in with an Amazon account. So if you do not have an Amazon account that you use to purchase things, you can create a new Amazon account, or if you prefer to create a different Amazon account for this, you can certainly do that as well. I certainly find that having all of them in one account is definitely helpful, and there's a variety of reasons that that becomes helpful to you. One, of course, is not having to sign in and out of Amazon depending on what you're trying to do on Amazon. But you can see it's pretty simple to set up an account. You want to go ahead and set up that account, and then you'll see whether or not you can be approved for Amazon influencer. All right, so once you've logged in with a valid Amazon account, it's going to bring you to this screen to determine your eligibility. You can select from Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. All right, so as you can see, when you click on each one of these, it says, please enter your account information on the next screen. We'll use the information to confirm your eligibility. May take up to 5 days. And you have the continue option. On YouTube, it asks you to log in with your actual YouTube information. And for Facebook, applications must use a Facebook business account. Please log in, authenticate your account, etc., etc. So depending on the type of account that you have, you want to make sure that you qualify using one of these. We're going to go over to Instagram for this example and click continue. And here on Instagram, they're looking for a handle. And I'm going to use my photography account just as a test here. So this is a pretty small account. Now, I would suspect that as an Amazon influencer, that may not be a big enough following or a number of posts, but we'll see what happens here. We appreciate your interest. Unfortunately, your account does not meet the eligibility requirements at this time. Now, if you'd like, you can apply with a different social media account. So we know that 162 is too small. Who knows what the actual size is or how they weigh the different social media accounts in determining which ones will get you into the influencer program and which ones won't. But you can see that there are some slight differences. In YouTube, you can log in as your YouTube account. Obviously, they're going to have access to your information when you do that to a certain degree in terms of being able to look at your channel. Instagram, they're asking for your handle and information. And then Facebook, you do have to have that business account to make all that work. But the best way to do it is to apply. There is no harm in applying. And as it mentioned, you can try to reapply with new information or a different social media account if the first one doesn't work out for you. I'm going to put a link to the Amazon influencer sign up page in the description description below. Definitely fill that out if you have not done so. At the very least, it'll let you know whether your current following will work for Amazon influencers or not. And if it doesn't, like I said, subscribe to this channel. We're going to help you build your following here on YouTube and learn how to make money around your content. Amazon influencer is definitely going to be a way that you're going to want to do that. And I'm going to show you exactly how all that works here on Creator Fundamentals. And hey, I'm super pumped to be able to bring you Amazon content going forward, but I've also put out over 400 videos to help you grow your brand and content here on YouTube. So if you don't think you're going to qualify for the Amazon influencer program, definitely check out that content. In fact, I'll put a video on screen now that'll help you grow your brand and influence here on YouTube. I'll see you in the next video.